basic principle of natural medicine that we forget about is the idea that nature is alive, nature is whole, nature is complete. And that's why we return to nature for the remedies, the things that bring us back to balance. But as amazing as herbal medicines and plants are, as alive as they are with chemistry and vitality and healing properties, we have to remember that just nature itself has the ability to heal us and restore us and rejuvenate us just by going into places like this that are raw and pristine and have healing power, because nature is in harmony. It's actually humanity and humans that are out of harmony with the natural world. This is why we have the problems we have today. Remember that. Nature is already whole and balanced, so we return to it. Every healing process needs nature. Without nature, there's no healing. If we know healing, like K-N-O-W, then we know nature. The two, nature is a necessary ingredient in any healing process. That means taking things that are natural, eating foods that are natural, farming, growing things in a way that are natural, living in ways that are natural, taking natural things, spending time in natural settings. Something just magically happens with the human body. It just restores. It's part of the mystery of nature. How all it does it. Science can tell us little things, but we're never going to know all of it because it's always going to be a little bit mysterious.